Hey young explorers, let's learn animal fun facts. Elephants are the only mammals that can't jump. Kangaroos use their tails for balance and can't walk backward easily. Sea otters hold hands when they sleep to prevent drifting apart in the water. Sheep have excellent peripheral vision, nearly 360 degrees. Rhinos have thick skin but are sensitive to sunburn, so they often wallow in mud. Horses can sleep both lying down and standing up. Lobsters have unique fingerprints on their claws. Every zebra has a unique pattern of stripes, much like human fingerprints. Starfish can regenerate lost arms and even grow into new starfish. Some monkeys use tools, such as sticks, to extract insects for food. Sea turtles have existed for over 100 million years, outliving many other species. Hedgehogs are immune to certain snake venom, and can eat toxic insects. Pelicans have a throat pouch that can hold more than their belly can. Frogs can breathe through their skin, and some can even change colors. Brown bears can run up to 30 miles per hour, and are skilled swimmers. Ostriches can run faster than horses, and have powerful kicks. Sharks can sense electrical fields and hear low-frequency sounds. Pigs are highly intelligent animals, often outperforming dogs in cognitive tests. Chimpanzees use tools and have complex social structures. Flamingos get their pink color from the pigments in the food they eat. Parrots are among the few animals that can imitate human speech. Giant pandas have a thumb that is actually an extension of the wrist bone. Some whales can communicate across hundreds of miles using low-frequency sounds. Tigers have striped skin, not just striped fur, and no two tigers have the same stripe pattern. Lions are the only big cats that live in social groups called prides. Cows have best friends and can form strong social bonds. Polar bear skin is black, which helps absorb and retain heat from the sun. Goats have rectangular pupils that provide a wide field of vision. Giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans, 7. Sloths move so slowly that algae can grow on their fur. Alligators have been around for more than 150 million years. Penguins mate for life, and often propose with pebbles. Peacocks are the male peafowls, and their vibrant tail feathers are used in courtship displays. Penguins are birds, but they are expert swimmers and spend most of their time in the water. They have flipper-like wings and are known for their distinctive black and white coloration. Duck. Ducks are great swimmers with webbed feet that act like paddles. They can fly, and they migrate to warmer places during the winter. Lion. Lions are known as the king of the jungle, even though they don't actually live in jungles. A group of lions is called a pride, and they often work together to hunt for food. Male lions have a big mane of hair around their neck, which makes them look extra special. Gorilla. Gorillas are some of the largest and strongest primates. They live in groups called troops, and the leader is called a silverback. Gorillas share a lot of similarities with humans, including 98% of their DNA. Elephant. Elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. They have big, strong trunks that they use for many tasks, like eating and drinking. Camel. Camels are known as the ships of the desert, because they are excellent at traveling across sandy deserts. They have humps on their backs, and these humps store fat, not water, which helps them survive in arid regions. Shark. Sharks are incredible swimmers and have been around for hundreds of millions of years. They have multiple rows of sharp teeth, and if they lose one, it can be quickly replaced. Hippo. Hippos are one of the most dangerous animals in Africa, despite their lumbering appearance. They are excellent swimmers and can hold their breath for an extended period. Polar bear. Polar bears are the largest land predators and are perfectly adapted to life in the Arctic. Their fur appears white, but it's actually translucent, and their skin underneath is black to absorb and retain heat. Tiger. Tigers are the largest cats in the world. They have beautiful stripes on their fur. Tigers are great swimmers and enjoy spending time in the water. Cow. Cows are gentle and friendly animals that provide us with milk and meat. They have 4 stomachs to help them digest their food. Whale. Whales are the largest animals on Earth, even bigger than dinosaurs. Some whales, like the humpback whale, are known for their beautiful songs. Whales breathe air but can hold their breath for a very long time underwater. Zebra. Zebras have distinctive black and white stripes that make them stand out. Each zebra stripe pattern is unique, just like human fingerprints. Goat. Goats are excellent climbers and can scale steep cliffs and trees. They have rectangular pupils in their eyes, which is quite unique. Giraffe. Giraffes have incredibly long necks and legs, which help them reach leaves and tall trees. Their tongues are long and blue, perfect for grabbing leaves from high branches. Sheep. Sheep are known for their fluffy wool, which is used to make clothing like sweaters. They are social animals and often stay together in flocks. Horse. Horses have been used by humans for thousands of years for transportation and work. They can run fast and are often used in sports like racing and rodeos. Bears are large, powerful mammals found in various parts of the world like North America, Europe, and Asia. Rhino. Rhinos are large, powerful animals with thick skin that can weigh as much as 2 tons. They have a horn on their nose. Starfish. Starfish are not actually fish, they are sea creatures related to sea urchins and sand dollars. Sea turtle. Sea turtles are ancient creatures that have been around for millions of years. They are known for their distinctive flippers, which help them swim gracefully in the ocean. Pig. Pigs are very intelligent animals, and they are even used in some research studies. Kangaroo. Kangaroos are marsupials, which means they carry their babies in a pouch. They are excellent jumpers and can cover great distances in a single hop.